Hello everybody and welcome back to another lesson. Bem-vindos a mais uma aula. Hoje você vai aprender expressões comuns para falar quando você encontra pessoas. Today you're gonna learn common expressions to use when you meet people. So, let's start with bom dia. You usually say that in the morning, so that's the equivalent of good morning. Repeat with me, bom dia. Now you can say, olá, bom dia. That's something very common. Oi, bom dia, or just bom dia. Now, if you meet somebody in the afternoon, you can say, boa tarde. That's very common also saying here. So, repeat after me, boa tarde. Now, attention to this R, tar. Boa tarde, tarde. As well, if you hear people from Rio de Janeiro speaking, and some other places like Minas Gerais, they might say boa tarde, tarde. So you can pick whatever accent you wanna use. Where I come from, we say boa tarde. Boa tarde. All right, so next one, boa tarde. Also, if you want to say good evening, right? Because in Brazil, we kind of like don't have evening, so boa tarde, boa noite, because evening for us here is tarde and also noite, because in English you use evening for both of these situations. The equivalent for us is tarde e noite, means noite, night. Now, if you want to say good night, you say boa noite. But here in Brazil, we say boa noite to greet somebody and also to say goodbye. So it's not like in English that you have good evening when you are arriving at a place, and then when you leave, you say good night. So we say good night, meaning boa noite, in both situations. So you greet somebody, boa noite, tudo bem? That means good night, how are you? And also, bye, good night, ciao, boa noite. How are you? We say, como você está? Como você está? Repeat. Como você está? You can also say, como vai? Repeat. Como vai? Nice. And also, you can say, como tá? Repeat. Como tá? Nice. Okay. So, to answer this question, you say, eu estou bem, obrigado, e você? That means I'm good, thanks, and you, or I'm fine, thanks, and you. Eu estou bem, obrigado, e você? Again, try to practice obrigado, obrigado, because I'm pretty sure if your first language, your native language is English, you're probably going to say obrigado. And also, this O at the end is not obrigado, it's obrigado. It's like obrigado, not obrigado. All right? But again, remember, you can say the way you are able to say right now. So do not worry, because people will understand you. And people in Brazil usually make an effort to understand you. So don't stop from speaking because you're not saying it correctly. I'm just giving you this hint so you can practice later to perfect your pronunciation if that's what you will. If not, just speak with your accent, whatever it is. There's no problem. Okay, everyone is going to understand you, and plus everyone loves people from different countries here in Brazil, so you're going to be fine. Estou bem, obrigado. Estou, you can also say tô bem. Tô bem. So, repeat after me. Tô bem, obrigado. Or you can also say tudo bem. That means all good. Tudo bem. Okay? So, tudo bem, obrigado. Now, if you want to say you're great, you can say tô ótimo, obrigado. Now, also, ótimo is for a man. Now, if you're a woman, tô ótima, tô ótima. You can also say tudo ótimo. Now, that has no difference if you're a man or a woman saying tudo ótimo because you're referring to tudo. So, tudo is ótimo. So, tudo ótimo. Now, if you want to say tô ótimo, meaning estou ótimo, a man, ótimo. A woman, ótima. You want to say you are very well or very good, you can say estou muito bem, obrigado e você. Estou muito bem, obrigado e você. Now, thanks and you. Now, repeat after me. Tô muito bem, obrigado e você. Nada mal, e você? Not too bad, and you? So, repeat. Nada mal, e você? Now, if you want to say, I don't feel good today, you can say, eu não estou me sentindo bem hoje. I am not myself feeling well today. Repeat. Eu não tô me sentindo bem hoje. Or you just want to say, não muito bem. That means not so good. Repeat. Não muito bem. And that also means not so great. Now, if you want to introduce a friend to somebody, you say, for example, este é meu amigo John. Meaning, this is my friend John. Repita. Este é meu amigo John. Prazer em conhecê-lo, John. Means nice to meet you, John. Prazer em conhecê-lo, John. Now, conhecê-lo for John, but if it was a girl, you would say prazer em conhecê-la, whatever her name would be. Mary, for example. Prazer em conhecê-la, Mary. Now, you can also say a short version of this, which you don't have to worry about being a man or a girl. You can just say prazer. That's all. Just say that. Prazer. Which means pleasure. Alright? So if somebody says, oh, this is my friend John, and then you say, esse é meu amigo John, and then you say prazer. And then usually the other person, in order to say nice to meet you too, they're just going to say prazer. Or prazer em conhecê-lo também. Ou prazer em te conhecer também. Alright? Now, if you want to say, for example, you were ending a conversation and you want to say, it was really nice meeting you, you can say, foi muito legal te conhecer. Foi, meaning was, muito legal, really nice, te conhecer, meeting you. If you want to say goodbye, you say tchau. Tchau. Or you can also say tchau, tchau. Tchau, tchau. Tchau, tchau, pessoal. Bye, bye, guys. Basically. Te vejo mais tarde. See you later. Repeat. Te vejo mais tarde. Again, the R, tarde. Tarde. And also in Rio, Belo Horizonte, and other places you can hear tarde. Tarde. And you can also hear, maybe in like small towns in São Paulo, state of São Paulo, you can hear things like tarde, tarde, right? Really good. You're gonna learn all kinds of accents in Brazil. So, te vejo na próxima aula. So you're taking your Portuguese lessons and then you talk to your classmate and you say, hey man, I'll see you next class. Te vejo na próxima aula. Próxima, next. Próxima. Próxima, because aula is a feminine word. So, te vejo na próxima aula. Te vejo na próxima semana. I'll see you next week. Repeat. Te vejo na próxima semana. Te vejo na próxima segunda-feira. I'll see you next Monday. Te vejo na próxima segunda-feira. So, Monday, segunda-feira. You can also just say segunda. Te vejo na próxima segunda. Also, if you just want to say, I'll see you Monday and not next Monday, you just say, te vejo na segunda. Or te vejo segunda. So, tchau, te vejo na próxima. That means bye, see you next, and whatever you want to say. Alright, my friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Also, leave your comments down below letting me know if you liked it. And also, like this video, share with other people that you think might want to learn Portuguese. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I'll see you in my next class. Bye-bye.